video here, people say, or they don't say, how do you adjust or know how fast that engine's going? And here we're really low tech. Now you can tell the RPM of an engine by using one of these clampy things that goes on the HT lead, but say, because we like things simple, I'm going to use this. And it says on the back here, look, it says, what does it say? West Germany. It shows you how they can still buy these. I reckon they're just using the same old tooling. So let's get this started. RPM.
But why is it 3,000 RPM? What made it work? I can't see what you're trying to explain.
That goes to resonant frequency, you see.
I need to explain that.
Right, well, there's a wire in there, and as you wind it in or out, this gets longer or shorter. You have resonant frequency. So when that's in resonance with the machine, you read off the scale, and it works from 800 RPM to I think it's something stupid like 25,000 RPM. And it even works on electric motors, anything more or less that spins. Doesn't work very well on chainsaws. And it can also tell you frequency of something, like an electrical device. You can put it on here and you can work out the frequency that it's at. And there are no batteries, nothing like that. It's all
good stuff.
All good stuff, isn't it? Look, see, no batteries, no electricity, and that is the official tool of Briggs and Stratton. That's the one they want you to have in their toolkit. I like that, it's simple. Oh,